Yo, welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing the 2024 Mustang S650 Dark Horse, in particular the media ride-alongs at the New York International Auto Show, which are surfacing all over YouTube. And I, for one, can say that the exhaust of the Dark Horse, the exhaust modes, everything, the drive modes, from the steering to the acceleration, the Dark Horse looks absolutely stunning. Of course, at 500 horsepower, 418 pound-feet of torque, the 4th gen Coyote V8 engine rumbling through the city of New York. It's absolutely insane. I definitely recommend to check out those videos. They will be in the description down below, so make sure you do check them all out. Absolutely love the Dark Horse. Cannot wait for our build, so make sure you all do stay tuned for that. Let me know what you think about those videos once you watch them here in the comment section down below. As for this video, that's it. Do drop a like, share, and subscribe for the latest and the greatest news. Thank you all for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Take care, be safe, and I will see each and every one of you on the next one.